If you've ever found yourself drowning in repetitive tasks, n8n might just be the lifeline you need. But does it live up to the hype as the best open source automation platform? Let's dig into what it really offers and where it might fall short. n8n is an open source automation tool designed to help users streamline workflows by connecting various apps and services. At its core, it allows you to create complex workflows without needing extensive coding knowledge. The interface is visually intuitive, making it easy to drag and drop different nodes to set up your automations. What stands out immediately is the extensive list of integrations. It supports over 200, which is quite impressive. This means you can connect everything from Google Sheets to your favorite email service, giving you a lot of flexibility. However, while the tool is powerful, it can feel a bit overwhelming at first, especially for newcomers. There's a learning curve, and some features aren't as clearly explained as one might hope. For users who enjoy customization, n8n offers a self-hosting option, which is great for those concerned about data privacy. However, this also introduces additional complexity that might not be ideal for everyone. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, n8n is incredibly flexible and customizable, which can be a game changer for businesses looking to automate specific tasks. The fact that it's open source means you can tweak it to fit your needs, and the community support is a plus. However, it's not all smooth sailing. The interface can be confusing for beginners, and the documentation, while helpful, sometimes lacks depth. For those just looking for a quick automation solution, the setup might feel like more trouble than it's worth. Additionally, self-hosting can be daunting if you're not tech savvy, and there's always a risk of running into bugs. So, if you're someone who loves tinkering with tools and has the technical know-how, n8n could be a fantastic fit. But if you prefer simplicity and quick setup, you might want to explore other options. In conclusion, n8n is a powerful tool for those who want to dive deep into automation and have the skills to navigate its complexities. However, if you're looking for something straightforward and user-friendly, it may not be the best choice. Overall, it's worth trying if you're up for the challenge, but be prepared for a learning curve.